Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to crochet a triangle motif. I usually share either circle or square. Today we'll do a triangle. I really want to add a little more variety to the motifs so you guys have more options to work with, and I think triangles are super cute. The yarn that I used is gray and yellow from Hobby Lobby. I love this yarn. It's a number 4 medium. It requires a size 5.5 millimeter hook. So basically any yarn you like. This is the 5.5 or I9. For your project, whatever yarn you are using, just look at the label and see what crochet hook it requires. I think with a thinner yarn, this will be more sophisticated, more lacy-like. This is just basic for blankets, I don't know, scarves. Let me know down in the comment what else you would use triangles for. But this is the right side, this is the wrong side, and I clipped the tails because I didn't have time to work them in. Obviously you will work them in however you want. We will be using chains, a single crochet, double crochet, and a treble. So if you are a beginner, you can practice your skills. If I'm going too fast, the toggle is here in the corner. You can adjust the playback speed. I'll see what subtitles I can add. Leave me down a comment down in the comment section. What subtitles, what languages should I add? I know I have Spanish, Indian, Arabic. What other languages? If it will allow me. Sometimes it lets me add subtitles, sometimes it doesn't. So I'm working with what I have. Anyway, if you are ready to learn how to crochet this beautiful triangle, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, ring the bell, grab your yarns, crochet hook, and let's get to work. We'll start with a magic ring. I know a lot of people are dreading it, but I'll go as slow as I can for you guys to understand it. Tail towards you, leave it longer a little bit, 2 fingers, hold it with your thumb, go around the fingers, and make sure you crisscross here, okay? Crisscross and drag it around the fingers, hold it either with your ring finger or in between the fingers, however you can hold it. With the crochet hook, go underneath the first strand, grab the second strand, pull it through. So pull, 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 hold it with your crochet hook, turn your hand, and hold this 2, actually 1, and pull the tails to the side. I've been doing it for so long, it's automatic, so it's kind of doing it slow, it doesn't work. Anyway, drop the tail and hold your long yarn. And whatever mess is happening here, don't pay attention to it, just hold on to your yarn and chain 1. See, this is what it looks like. And if it looks approximately like this, you're doing it right. So we need to chain 3. We need 3 double crochets together. So this was chain 1, chain 1 more. This is our unfinished double crochet. Yarn over, insert the hook into the circle, and make sure grab the do it underneath both loops. Grab the yarn, pull through, yarn over, pull through only 2. That's our first unfinished double crochet. Yarn over, again into the ring, both loops, both strands of yarn, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through all 3. There's our 3 together. And now you can pull the yarn. See, it's working. Okay, so we need 6 groups of double crochet 3 together, and we will be alternating chain 3 and chain 5 in between. So now we are going to chain 3, and put three double crochets together into the ring. Yarn over into the ring, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over into the ring, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over into the ring, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 only, and you have 3 unfinished double crochets, yarn over, pull through all the loops. This time we will chain 5, 3, 4, 5, and add another group of 3 double crochets together. This time I will go faster. So second group, and second double crochet and the third, pull through all. This time we'll chain 3 in between. Okay, so add groups 3, 5, 3, then 5, then 3. Okay, and I'll meet you at the end. Okay, and you can see how your triangle is forming. So we had chain 3 in between, chain 5, chain 3, chain 5, chain 3. So now to finish this, I'm gonna tighten the loop, the ring. Don't fight it to close it completely. You don't want it closed completely. Just pull it as long as you start feeling resistance and leave it alone. You do want a little gap here. So the chart shows that we need to chain 2 and a double crochet in here, so that will count as chain 5. So double crochet into the tip of the first group, like so, and you can see the triangle forming. I want to change the colors. If you don't want to change the colors, you will carry on. For round number 2, we'll chain 3, counts as a double crochet, add 2 more double crochets into the same around the double crochet that of the previous round, 1 and 2. This is what we're looking at. Chain 3, single crochet into the chain 3 arch, chain 3. Now we're going to move into the chain 5. Here we will put 3 double crochets, 1, 2, 3, chain 3. We'll put a treble, which means that we need to yarn over twice, 1, 2. There's your, insert the hook into the chain 5 space, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through only 2, yarn over, pull through only 2, and yarn over, pull through the remaining 2. That's your treble, and here you can see the post and the 2 slashes. Okay, so chain 3, 3 more double crochets into the same space, 1, 2, and 3, and this is what we got. So chain 3, single crochet into the chain 3 space, chain 3, and we'll repeat our other corner. 3 double crochets, 1, 2, 3, chain 3, treble, yarn over twice, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2, chain 3, 3 more double crochets, 1, 2, 3. Chain 3, single crochet into the next chain 3 space, chain 3. Here we have our 3 double crochets already, so 3 double crochets, 1, 2, 3, chain 3, put our treble in here, through 2, through 2, and through 2. So, and instead of the chain 3, we will double crochet into the third chain from the beginning. And if you've been crocheting for a while, you know that chain 3 in the beginning of each project counts as a double crochet. So it looks like they want us to do the same here. Okay, this is what we're looking at so far. I'm not a fan of what's happening here, the color change. But if you are not changing colors, it should be better. I don't know. There should be a way to fix this somehow. If you know, either I made a mistake. Anyway, if you know how to fix it, do it your way. I'm just showing you basically the triangle. All right. We need to chain 3, 2 double crochets around the double crochet post, 1, 2, 1 double crochet in each of these, so into the chain of the chain 3, into the next double crochet, and into the next double crochet, and 3 into the chain 3 space. 1, 2, 3, like so. Chain 1, skip the single crochet, and we'll put 3 double crochets into the chain 3 space. 1, 2, 3. 1 double crochet into these 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3. So we already have 6. 3 double crochets into the next chain 3 space. 1, 2, 3. Chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we'll move into the next chain 3 space. So here, 3 double crochets into this chain 3 space, 3 double crochets in each of these, and 3 double crochets here. Again, chain 1, 3 double crochets, 3 double crochets, 3 double crochets, chain 5, and so on around. And I went a full round around, put 3 double crochets into the last chain 3 space. So chain 2 and double crochet into the third chain from the beginning. And we'll work just like they told us here. Single crochet, chain 1, single crochet. Okay, tighten this. Single crochet, chain 1, single crochet here, and chain 1, skip the next, single crochet into the next, chain 1, skip the next, single crochet into the next, all the way till the corner. Alright, so you're gonna skip the next and you will end up in the corner. So single crochet, then chain 1, again single crochet, then chain 3, single crochet, chain 1, single crochet, everything in that corner. Chain 1, skip the next, single crochet into the next, and the same till we reach the next corner. We reach the next corner, chain 1, single crochet into the corner, chain 1, again single crochet into the corner, chain 3, single crochet, chain 1, again single crochet, chain 1, skip next into the next, and go ahead and do the last one. To finish off, single crochet, chain 1, single crochet, and chain 3, slip stitch into the first single crochet, chain 1, and pull the tail. And this is what it looks like after a little shaping and a little steaming. I clipped off the tails just for the purpose of this video, but obviously you will hide them the way you are hiding them or working them in. This is the right side, this is the wrong side. Don't like this anyway. But I think it looks pretty good. If you do join as you go, you can use this row for an easy join as you go, or just if you're a very beginner and don't know how to do the join as you go, you can sew one loop from this side and one loop for the other from the other triangle, and sew them with a whip stitch, and this is how you will position them. I think it would look very nice. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe, ring the bell. Leave me a comment down in the comment section. Tell me what colors you would use for what projects. I like the triangle situation here. Anyway, you guys take care. I will see you next Sunday. Bye.